We're getting some inside scoop on the last cabinet meeting of Modi 2.0 election results. In fact, were discussed in that last Council of Ministers meeting that the Prime Minister chaired before he went to Rashtrapati Bhavan to tender in his resignation. He seems to have encouraged his party colleagues, basically told them winning and losing is a part of politics. Number games will continue. He seems to have boosted their morale, which may have been low after the numbers that came in yesterday in terms of the BJP's results. The Prime Minister also told his Council of Ministers and colleagues that we've done good work for the past 10 years and we'll continue to do so in the future as well. The organization, the BJP organization, lived up to the expectations of the people everywhere and continue to live up to them. You all worked very hard, very well. He smiled, he boosted their confidence, everyone's morale, and thanked them for their service over the last 5 years. So as soon as the meeting got over, we are told that the Prime Minister immediately left for Rashtrapati Bhavan to tender in his resignation. So a Union Cabinet meeting followed by Union Council of Ministers where the Prime Minister boosted the morale of his colleagues, saying we all worked hard, numbers game will continue. Sometimes you win some, you lose some, but that's part and parcel of politics. Piyush Mishra continues to be with us. The Prime Minister, of course, does realize that, the results yesterday, Piyush, may have shocked many of BJP colleagues, party workers, and it is for him to ensure that the organization stays upbeat and, the morale stays high, because assembly elections, especially in two crucial states where the BJP has suffered jolts, in Maharashtra and in Haryana, are to come up by the end of this year.
Well, certainly, Pauline, there are many states where the BJP has faced a massive defeat, be it about Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana. In Bihar also the number tally has come down. So looking at that, Prime Minister has boosted the morale of all the ministers who were part of cabinet and has boosted their morale. Prime Minister has also said that that it's all about number game, and his government has worked a lot for the welfare of people in the last 10 years. And there's no doubt that the issues like abrogation of Article 370, construction of Ram Temple, or there are many political issues, those were resolved by PM Narendra Modi's government. But yesterday, while he was also addressing to the Karyakartas of BJP at BJP headquarters, he mentioned one thing very categorically, that his fight against corruption is not going to stop. He will more aggressively look forward to carry out his fight against corruption, and that will be the part of one of the biggest agendas of his
Of course, he's been preparing that 100-day agenda already with his Union Council of Ministers, the outgoing Union Council of Ministers at the moment. Piyush, thank you so much for joining us. Aishwarya Paliwal, my colleague, is also joining us from outside the Prime Minister's residence on Lok Kalyan Marg here in Delhi. That NDA meeting is slated to take place here in a short while from now. Aishwarya, we're bringing to our viewers the inside scoop of the Union Council of Ministers meeting that happened today, earlier this morning at the Prime Minister's residence after the cabinet meeting, where it seems that the Prime Minister has thanked everyone for their service over the last 5 years and boosted their morale as well, which he may have anticipated would have been a little down after the results that came in yesterday. He seemingly told them that winning and losing is a part of politics and the numbers game will continue, but we have to continue to do the good work that we've been doing over the past 10 years. Aishwarya.
Well, Paulami, definitely it is a pat on the back for everyone. Prime Minister, even if he is extremely low at the moment, has made sure that that emotion does not come to the fore. Even when he was speaking with the Karyakartas yesterday at the BJP headquarters, he told them that we have done very good work over the past 1 decade, and that's something that we will continue to do. And that's exactly what he told the union ministers today. He said that what we really need to do is to make sure that we work on the on the path that we have laid out over the past 1 decade, and also has given a hint that all the ministers now need to make sure that they work for the next 100 days ahead. Now, that was something that the BJP was working on, keeping sure that the pace is maintained. The Prime Minister obviously said that it's all a numbers game, and yes, in life you do win and you do lose some. Keeping all those things in mind, he said that what you really need to do is keep on working on the path which has been laid for you over the past 10 years.
Right. Aishwarya, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. Aishwarya will be tracking that very crucial NDA meeting that is to begin at the Prime Minister's residence at 4 p.m. this evening.